students. Today our topic it is called suffix. Today it is Wednesday, June 17th. Our end in mind it is to explain how different suffixes change the meaning of a word. Remember that last week we talked about prefixes, which is a word that becomes before the base word, and when we add that prefix to the base word, it becomes a new word. Well, today we're going to talk about suffixes. And suffixes are a word that comes after the base word to again make a new word. So let's begin. The materials for today that you will need, it is your learning log and your pencil case, as well as your language notebook. All right? And the activities we're going to do today, it is first of all, we're going to do a warm-up just like every day. And we're going to do activity 1, page 62, which it talks about, it explains what are suffixes and how you can write them. And then activity 3, page 63, you will work that in teams. Well, first of all, our warm-up, okay? What we did in class was we pretend there was an imaginary ball, and then we had to pass it around all the students. Every student that catches the ball has to say any word that comes to the mind of that at that moment of that student. So that's what we did in warm-up. It was a very, very fun activity. I hope tomorrow you can be in the class if you weren't there today, and so we can play together. Now let's go to this activity, where in this activity you need to write the correct word in bold in the correct column. So basically the words in bold are these ones, the ones with black color, such as working, worker, works, reporter, reporting, report, painters, paint, and painting. Those are the words that you need to write down on the column here, on the chart. Okay, so let's see. We have words, we have verbs, we have words that end with ing, and we have nouns. Remember, a verb is an action. Ing word, it is an action or a verb that you're doing right now at this precisely moment. And then the noun, it is the person who's doing that job. So we have working. Now you have to decide where does the word working goes, in what column it goes. If you say that it goes in the ing words, it is correct. Working, it means you're doing it at this precisely moment. Then we have worker. Do you think worker is a verb or it is a noun? Well, if you say it is a noun, it's correct. It is a noun, and as you can see, it ends with er. So all the jobs, or basically the people who do the job, end with er, such as teacher, reporter, worker. Those are jobs, painters. So please write the other 6 words in bold in the correct column. You can pause the video and then you can continue. Now let's continue with the next activity. And this activity, we did it in class in teams of 5, and we completed the sentences using the words in yellow. We complete each sentence. So for example, we have number 1. Courtney's father as a police officer. So the correct word that goes there, it is a verb. So do you think it's works, worker, or working? If you say works, that's correct. Courtney's father works as a police officer. Letter B. For Courtney's father, is it working or worker? That's correct. It is working for the community is important. And then the last one obviously will be worker. A police officer is a community worker. So please finish number 2 and number 3, and tomorrow you can show it to me. Well, I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday. That was our last activity for today. Have a wonderful